Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this equation. So we have x plus x plus x is equal to x times x times x. Now what we're first going to do is we're going to simplify both sides. So let's first start by adding these three x's. X plus x, well that's 2x, and 2x plus x is 3x. So we have 3x is equal to, now x times x, well, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we have x to the power of 1. All of these degrees are 1. So meaning x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1, this would equal x to the power of 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have x squared. Now x squared times x to the power of 1 again, because we got to multiply with the other x, this would equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1, which is x cubed. So we have 3x is equal to x cubed. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by x. So for the left-hand side, these two cancel out, so I'd simply just have 3 is equal to, now if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 3 over x to the power of 1, this is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so this is equal to x squared. So we have 3 is equal to x squared. Now we want to cancel this power out, so I'm actually going to take the square root on both sides, because remember the root is the opposite of the power. So what I do to one side, I have to do the other side. So these two cancel out, and on our right hand side we simply have x is equal to the square root of 3. And the square root is actually a plus or minus. So this is actually a plus or minus square root of 3. This would be negative root 3 or positive root 3. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this radical problem. So we have the square root of x is equal to the square root of 20 minus the square root of 5. So what I'm first going to do is I'm actually going to simplify this radical here, the square root of 20. Well, to do that, 20, what are some factors of 20? We have 5 times 4, right? And 5 is already prime, so we could leave that go. But 4, how do we simplify 4? What are some factors of 4? The only factors of 4 are 2 and 2. So now these two are a group, so this is 2 is going to be in our outside root, and 5, because this is left alone, this is going to be inside the radical. So now we have 2 root 5 minus square root of 5. This is equal to the square root of x. So now whenever we're subtracting or even adding radicals, we always look for like terms. And like terms for radicals are when the number in the radical is the same. So as you can see, both of these terms have a square root of 5. So these two are like terms, and when we're doing like terms, we subtract the outside terms. So this square root of 5, this is actually 1 root 5. The outside number for this would be 1. So we're actually going to subtract 2 and 1 and leave the radical alone. We're not going to change the radical. So 2 minus 1, well, that's just 1. So now we have 1 and we keep the radical. So 1 root 5 equal to the square root of x. And 1 root 5 is the same thing as just square root of 5. So now I'm going to square both sides to cancel out the radical. Now the power is opposite of the root, so these two cancel out, and on our left hand side we have x is equal to, again the power is opposite of root, so these two cancel out, and 5. So this is our answer.